Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best payability use cases for scaling an e-commerce business. As an e-commerce seller, you know the biggest killer of growth isn't a lack of sales, it's cash flow lag. You sell today, but Amazon or Walmart might hold your money for 2 weeks or more. That waiting period means you can't immediately reinvest in your business, and that's where payability completely changes the game. Based on my experience, there are two primary non-negotiable use cases for scaling with payability: accelerated daily payouts and inventory capital. 1. The power of accelerated daily payouts, instant access. The first and most crucial use case is using Payability's instant access service for daily payouts. When you're scaling, you need cash now to cover your next inventory order, not 2 weeks from now. By getting 80% of yesterday's sales deposited into your account today, even on weekends, you essentially eliminate the marketplace delay. I use this to compress my cash conversion cycle. Instead of waiting 14 plus days, I had money to immediately place reorders. This meant I could turn over my most popular products faster. Imagine being able to reorder stock for your top-selling items every few days instead of every 2 weeks. This simple shift prevents stockouts during peak seasons and allows you to capitalize on sudden spikes in demand. It's the constant, predictable cash flow you need to maintain momentum. 2. Strategic inventory capital, instant advance. The second critical use case is leveraging their instant advance for a lump sum of capital. This is not for day-to-day operations. It's for strategic, high-growth investment. A major scaling challenge is buying inventory in bulk to get better pricing or stocking up for a massive holiday surge like Black Friday. Traditional banks move too slowly. With Payability's instant advance, I could get a significant capital lump sum based on my future sales within a day or two. I use this advance to secure a 20% discount on a massive pre-order from my supplier. That discount immediately boosted my margins, making the cost of the advance well worth it. I also use it to run aggressive, large-scale marketing campaigns that I knew would convert, fully funded before the marketplace even paid me for the last sales cycle. This capital acts as a fast funding bridge between your current sales performance and your future growth goals. It's for stepping on the gas when you see a clear opportunity to grow your revenue by 2x or 3x, and you just need the cash to make the big jump. In short, if you are serious about scaling, you need to turn your delayed revenue into instant, actionable working capital. Payability solves that core problem, giving you the financial agility to run your business like a large enterprise, even if you're still lean. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.